Hackers aren't just after big corporations, they're after any business with vulnerabilities, and they know exactly where to find them. Cybercrime is evolving fast, and the cost of a data breach, it's devastating. In 2024, the average breach cost businesses $4.88 million. And it's not just the money. Customer trust, legal consequences, and your reputation are all at stake. As Sebastian Abenanti, president of the Isidore Group, puts it, your data's safety shapes your brand's destiny. Protect it at any cost. So, what's your defense strategy? Firewalls, encryption, and employee training are essential, but they don't make you immune. That's where data breach insurance comes in. It acts as a financial safety net, covering forensic investigations, legal fees, crisis management, and system restoration. Expenses that can cripple a business if left unprotected. Beyond the immediate damage, the hidden costs of a breach, customer compensation, regulatory fines, and the loss of consumer confidence can drag on for years. A single misstep could mean hundreds of thousands in penalties, especially for businesses handling sensitive data. But not all data breach insurance policies are the same. Some cover ransomware attacks, while others don't. Some provide proactive risk assessments, while others only step in after the damage is done. Knowing what's covered and what's not can be the difference between bouncing back or shutting down. Don't wait for a cyber attack to test your defenses. Learn how data breach insurance can safeguard your business and help you stay ahead of evolving threats. Read the full article now on our website, and be sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more insights.